Pour l'instant, je ne suis pas d'accord, mais disons, je ne suis pas d'accord pour l'instant. On a eu des discussions.
Je t'appelle et on voit.
Mais je suis très déçu parce que pour l'instant, on a eu ces discussions, la communication, et on est resté têtu pour ne pas changer. On a dit que ça fonctionnera, on fait le forcing. Et je peux pas, c'est pas comme ça qu'on fonctionne.
C'est parce que de ne pas tenir à Michel François, ça ne fonctionne pas.
Mais il faudrait faire une proposition.
J'avais fait une proposition.
C'est quoi?
De pas tenir tot Michel François.
Oui, mais il faut avoir le mot Wallonie. Non, mais ça, c'est sûr. Écoute, tu demandes du fric à la Wallonie et on met tout sauf la Wallonie.
Ça, oui, mais ça, j'ai dit que j'étais d'accord sur la Wallonie. Hein.
Ça, il faut quand même... il faut quand même pas me demander d'aller dire... Écoutez, vous devez absolument soutenir l'exploit parce que c'est l'image de la Wallonie et ils disent où est-ce qu'on en parle. Hein, c'est gentil de me donner des instructions comme ça, mais c'est un peu compliqué. Donc, je trouve qu'il faudrait dire... vous savez, il ne faut pas toujours être original. Hein?
Oui, mais ça, c'est ce que j'essaie de dire. Je dis, Laurent, on doit être original à partir qu'on rentre dans l'expo.
C'est l'exposition qui est originale, c'est pas le titre, hein? Richesse insoupçonnée de la Wallonie.
J'ai fait un texte, je vais vous l'envoyer, mais le texte précédent que mon équipe avait fait, c'était de décrire dans un paragraphe la personnalité originale de Laurent Busine. Je dis, Laurent, je sais que tu es original, mais ça ne m'aide pas pour communiquer mon expo aux Flamands qui devraient venir voir ce qu'est la Wallonie aujourd'hui. Hein.
Bien sûr, on dit les richesses insoupçonnées de la Wallonie ou inconnues de la Wallonie. Insoupçonnées, c'est peut-être un peu trop fort. Mais les richesses inconnues de la Wallonie, dat past goed in de huidige situatie. Et puis vous mettez en dessous de machin à machin. Mais je veux dire, les deux noms que vous citez n'éveillent pas immédiatement chez moi une cloche. Hein?
Cheers.
Cheers to the project, to everything.
Cheers. Frank. Dank u voor de gastvrijheid.
Met plezier. But I will send you a DVD visiting the building.
Yeah, but also when IOA comes to Belgium for the next step and so on, then we can do a tour through Belgium, and then you can also see why it is important there, because you have all the concentration of the museums on this hill. It's called the Art Mountain.
But it was a middle class.
Yeah, and you also have to understand that Leopold II was the second king of our country, the only king we have had in terms of being smarter than his parliament. He was 2 meters high, had a long beard, fucked around like hell.
Yes.
There's still bastards up until now from it. And he bought the Congo. He bought the Congo. He was
the largest country.
It was his personal garden. It was the personal garden. It was the resources that all came there. It started with ivory from elephant teeth. Then it went in collision with the T-force that came out of the factories in the States with the rubber. And I was once invited to do something in the palace, and I was there alone to look where I was going to do it. And I see a huge gala ballroom with gold, and I think by myself, it's strange, it's just a huge place for such a small country. But there you understand that the entire city of Brussels was built on that money. It was built upon years of forced labor, which have killed 10 million people. Yeah. It's the first genocide.
How many?
10 million.
10 million.
In where? In Africa.
In Africa.
And the middle class became rich for that reason. And as compensation, like the Rockefellers.
The money had to come somewhere.
Yeah, had to build that building.
Yeah, but actually, the money that came from the country is by the
350 million euros.
The Rothschilds founded the country because they wanted to make it. It was the smallest, richest country in Europe, and it was a tax paradise. See, that's how it was founded. And nobody wanted to be king of it because it was too small. And the region has always been very important. The Flanders, you know, with the Middle Age, that's an old situation, but that was part of the Netherlands.
But that was not Belgium.
But that was not Belgium. Belgium is only 1830, very young Belgium.
The political condition is very much like '89 now.
Yeah.
Such an urge for all kind of reform in the air. You know, everything come to a moment people are waiting for something different, because the state itself proved it cannot offer anything new. It's the system itself. It's just
but
impossible.
But it seems that they put the pause
but there's here
till
there's a
after the
chance,
Olympics.
the force from outside can, but of course, we have to be very conservative approach, as you said.